Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Teja. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon not to miss any updates. In this video, we will learn how to reverse a string. Let us take an sample example. Welcome to Java. I have reversed it. I have found 3 ways to solve this program. The third way is a one-line statement. Let's move on to the procedure. Take input of a line using string variable, remove spaces and convert into lowercase. Declare a new string variable result. Iterate a for loop from last character to first character. Add to the result. Print the result. Now let's move on to the next procedure. Take input of a line using string variable, remove spaces and convert to lowercase. Declare a new string variable result. Create object for string builder. We have reverse method and finally convert string and store the value to the result and finally print the result. The next procedure is reverse a string using string builder in single line. Declare class reverse and type main method syntax public static void main string array args. Declare a variable string str. For taking input we need scanner class, so import util package. After that create object for scanner class. As the input is line, we need to use next line method. After taking input we need to convert into lowercase, so we need to use lowercase method. After that we need to replace the spaces, so that's why we need to use replace. Whenever we occur a space we need to convert into no space. After that we need to create another variable result with no values. After that we need to iterate a for loop from last of the string. Int I is equal to str dot length -1. I should be greater than 0. I minus minus. Store the result in result variable. For that we need to use str.caret method for individual characters, semicolon and close the for loop. We need to use here equal to and finally print the result. Close the main method and class. Now we will save this file and we will execute it. rev.java. Now open command prompt and change the directory to desktop, then Java folder and type javac rev.java. It has been compiled. Now we need to execute java space class name. It is waiting for input. Welcome to Java. We have got the output. Now we will move on to the next procedure. Until here it is same. We have taken input and converted into lowercase and then we remove the spaces. After that we need to create object for string builder sb equal to new string builder, and inside constructor we need to pass the str string. After that we have a method called reverse. Then finally print sb to string. That's it. Now we will save and we will execute. It has been compiled. Execute it. Now type welcome to Java. It has been compiled. Now we will use without string builder. Now I will show this whole thing in a single line. System.out.println se.next line to lowercase dot replace. After converting into lowercase letters and removing spaces, we will create memory for string builder and inside that we will pass the whole thing and convert this to and reverse the string and convert into the string. Check the upper syntax and see the whole thing, you will get understood. That's why I have kept that. Now we will execute once again. It has been compiled, executed. Input is welcome to Java. We have got it, and we will give once again welcome to Java. We have got the same output you can see here. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and share among your friends, and click bell icon not to miss any updates. Thanks for watching.
All we need is somebody to lean on.